YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chelsea J, and today's video is going to be yet another wig review. So if you all are interested in hearing the specs on the unit that your girl is rocking right now and just my overall thoughts on this wig, please stay tuned. Alright guys, before we jump off into this review, I would like to take a moment to send a huge thank you and shout out to the beautiful people behind SOWIGS.com for sending over this unit to your girl to share my thoughts with you guys. So thank you to them. Now without further ado, I'm going to try to show y'all how I put this wig on, and we're going to get into my thoughts on this. Show you. I try to show you guys how I pretty much install. I'm still like really a newbie to the glue, so yeah, I had to try to finish it off camera. And this wig I have been wearing for a week or two, so it's not the freshest, so it's it got some issues. So let's get right into it. This is SOWIGS European 130% density lace front wig in Italian curly human hair, and I got this in the length 22 inches. Let me throw it all to the back real quick so y'all can see this texture, this limb. Yeah, it's pretty hair. That is one of the pros. I like the limb. The density is even cool. It would be even cooler if it did not shed as much. Oh my goodness. That is probably the biggest con to me is the shedding. And because of the shedding, it's causing it to tangle a little bit. And that's just not fun, because when this hair tangles, and while it's shedding, you're just pulling out clumps and clumps and clumps of hair. But this is after about like 2 to 3 weeks of wear. So I will say that's an issue for the girl, okay? Other than that, the wig is absolutely gorgeous. Since it's shedding, it has thinned out a little bit to me. Look at this, yeah. Ooh, Lord, ooh. But she's pretty though, okay? And I think that's just how the affordable wig sites are. They're gonna get you together for a few weeks, you know. And I'm a deep conditioner, okay? And I really don't wear my wigs to sleep. Oh, I did wear this one to sleep though. But I wear bonnets and stuff, and I'm just now getting into the glue, but I do use a glue remover. But this hair is just shedding. It's shedding like way more than I would like for a human hair wig. I don't want to say excessive, but it is too much for me, and I normally don't mind shedding. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got to say. I will pop in a clip somewhere on the screen of the inside cap construction if I was able to record that. I don't know. I don't even remember if I did. But if I didn't, there are 2 combs right here. A comb in the back with adjustable straps. If you are a newbie here, I am small-headed, okay? My head is extra small, and this thing is fitting very, very well. I got it as tight as it can go, and I really like the security. So that is a pro if you are a small head. This is one that is going to work for you. And it probably work for the bigger hair girls, too. The bigger headed women out there, or my bigger headed people out there, because I do believe on the site they give you an option to choose the wig cap size. So yeah, I don't really have too much more to say. I was a little disappointed with this unit because I did really like this curl pattern, but the shedding, y'all, every time I wash it, every time I conditions it, every time I put it on, you know, you gotta finger do these type of hair, and it just really wasn't working for me like that. But it is still really pretty, so if you need some affordable hair just like for a weekend or a vacation, yeah, look into them. I do have a coupon code that I will have on the screen here, as well as in the description box if you all are interested. And of course, I will have a direct link to this unit and a link to SOWIGS.com if you want to see what other hair they have to offer. Yeah, that's pretty much gonna wrap this video up. Give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy this. Leave me a comment below. Speak to your girl. Say hi. I do talk back. Subscribe if you have not yet. I almost forgot that. Please do subscribe. Please do support your girl. Come back for more videos. And until next time, bye y'all.